friends on the internet, it's me, Jan Jan. Today I'm going to show you how I DIY'd my favorite Instagram makeup filter. I call it the Golden Goddess with ColourPop's Yes Please palette. Start with foundation. I'm using a beauty blender here since I'm looking for a more natural face look. For concealer, I'm using Glossy today and again apply with Beauty Blender. For a more vibrant and long-lasting eye look, apply primer. I'm using my finger. The heat of your fingertips work really well when applying eye primer. Powder your face so all the hard work is locked down. I usually don't contour my face, but the Instagram filter is pretty heavy on that, so I'm going to try replicate that with an angled face brush. For blush, I'm using a more coral color today. Using a gold undertone highlight for all the gold goddess shine you ever need for this look. Also, don't forget to contour your nose. Next, with your favorite eyebrow product, fill in your eyebrows. When that's all done, it's time for the fun. I'm using ColourPop's Yes Please palette for this look, also known as Cute as Fuck. Using a fluffy brush, start by applying this light orangey color all over the lid, blending out to the crease. With the same brush, grab the poppy yellow from the palette to blend out the edge. For hooded eyes, you want the color to still be visible when you have your eyes opened. Use a smaller brush, apply the dark brownish red color to the outer corner of your eyes. Use the same brush, apply brown to the same area but closer to the lash line. Using a flat brush, apply the shimmery orange onto the lid. The same brush, apply gold onto the middle of your lid. Going back to the fluffy brush, blend everything out. For lower lash line, start by applying brown to the outer corner. Use the gold for inner highlight and use the shimmery orange to connect the gold with the brown. Let me show you how it looks so far before finishing it up with eyeliner and mascara. Last but not least, apply nude lip heat onto your lips. Not your wall, whoops, and you're all done. here you have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I apologize for the lighting. If you're new to my channel, please click subscribe for more random videos. See you next time!